Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Hemant మంచి హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నట్టు లేదా? Okay. So yesterday we discussed one example or exercise sum.
Examples.
So we have another example. It is given page number 103. AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Also EA is perpendicular to AB. If angle BEF equals to 55 degrees, find the values of X, Y and Z, something like that. Without drawing diagram, you can't imagine. Okay? Here I will draw the diagram. Look at it, all of you. AB is parallel to CD. Here two lines. However, he has given the diagram in the same I will draw. AB means don't know, imagine like that. AB one line it is there now. This is A, B. Parallel to CD one more line. This is C, D. And CD is parallel to EF. This CD is parallel to one more line, that is EF. Are you clear? This is E and F. When AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, obviously AB is parallel to EF or not? Transitive property. In your class only, na? That relations will be there, transitive, symmetric. No? Oh, okay. So, AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to EF. Obviously, AB is parallel to EF. That is, leave it. And now, EA is perpendicular to AB. From this E, he has joined this A. This is perpendicular, it is given. This EA is perpendicular to AB is given. Are you clear? And another thing, anything mentioned? No. And also he has joined this EB also. Are you clear? Don't join with a free hand. By using scale you have to join. Don't join like me. Now this point is named as D and this point already B is there now. Here he has mentioned Y and here he has mentioned X, and here it is Z is given, and this measure is given as 55 degrees. Are you clear? What is given here? Angle given the angle BEF. Where is BEF? BEF. This angle is given as how much? 55 degrees. And then he asked to find X, Y, Z equals to question mark. Asked to find the values of X, Y and Z. How it is? See? Look at here. AB is parallel to EF now. Okay. AB is parallel to EF. When AB is parallel to EF, this is a transversal or not?
Yes.
See, just a small diagram here I am drawing. This is, and AB this is, EF this is, and he has drawn like this. Are you clear? And this angle how much he gave? 55. If it is 55, this is how much?
50.
Why?
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angles. That's all. Are you clear? So, look at here. Here, AB is parallel to EF and EB is the transversal. EB is the transversal. Okay. Therefore, angle, what is that? BEF equals to EBA. Therefore, angle BEF is equals to angle, what is the name of this one? EBA. Angle EBA. Why? Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Now, angle BF how much is given?
55.
Therefore, so angle EBA is equal to how much?
55.
55. What is the need of finding EBA? EBA means this is how much we got it? 55. If it is 55, shall we be able to find X? Because it is straight angle or not? Yes. Because of that I found that angle. Now, 55 plus X equals to 180. Since straight angle. Which angle it is? Straight angle. Then X equals to how much then? 180 minus 55. X equals to how much? 125. So one of the value we found. This is 125. What? If it is 125, I think Z is also 125 or not? No. No, complete this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Am I right? Okay. And then, look at here. It is how much we got it?
55.
If it is 55, and then this is how much? This angle is how much?
Y equals to 1.
See, these are the two parallel lines or not? It is a transversal or not?
Yes, sir.
See, here I am drawing the diagram. Okay? This is the transversal. It is 55 means this is how much?
125.
Because these are the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary or not? So this is 125. That one you can write it. How you will write it? How you will
Sir, X and Y are corresponding angles.
where? Or else better, that is very good. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD means this is the transversal, no? So this angle and this angle are corresponding angles or not? That is very simple. Why unnecessarily it is 125? Then again vertical opposite angles 125. Anyway, because of that I am telling you, you have to think once. So again, what you write here? AB is parallel to CD and what is the transversal? EB is the transversal. EB is the transversal. So X equals to Y. Y corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Already we got the value of X now. What is the value of X we got it here?
125.
Therefore Y equal to how much?
125.
125. Y equals to how much we got it?
125.
125. And then how we will get the value of Z?
Sir, 55 plus 90 plus Z equals
Look at here. This is perpendicular is given na? When this is perpendicular, this is how much? 90. And this is how much? 90. So 55 plus Z equals to 90, we can equate now. Are you clear or not? So what you will write it here? As AE is perpendicular to EF, therefore 55 plus Z equals to 90. Then Z equals to how much? 90 minus 55. Therefore Z equals to 35. This is the way. Finally, we got all the values of X, Y, Z or not? What is the value of X we got it? 125. Why we? Z 35. This is it. Got it? Come on, note it down. Is it completed now?
Yes, sir.
See, whatever the sums I am explaining, you have to do once again in the homework book. Today I not have to do that. Every day I am going to verify.
Yes, sir.
Arabia, in the HW book you have to do it. If not, you know what is going to be taken place. Now, exercise 6.2. See, just oral explanation I will give. Are you clear? For some problems, it doesn't require any complete proof. Are you clear? So, this is 6.2, first problem. Listen very carefully. You have to do by your own after going to home. Understand? See, find the values of x and y. AB is parallel to CD is given. AB is parallel to CD is given, children. This is AB. This is A, B one line. CD is another line. What is given? AB is parallel to CD is given. Okay, leave it. This is given as 50 and this is given as x and this is given as y and this is given as 130. You ask to find the values of x and y. Look at here. Ask to find the values of x and y. Are you clear? Straight away we can able to find the value of y or not?
Yes, sir.
Because these are the two intersected lines now, and these are what? Vertical opposite angles or not? Are you clear or not? So vertical opposite angles are equal. Or else, if you don't want to apply vertical opposite angles property, because it is not parallel lines and transversal related, na? So what you will find? One thing I have to do. Here, this is the transversal or not? When this is the transversal, this angle equals to this angle or not?
Yes, sir.
Corresponding angles. This is how much then?
50.
50. Are you clear? If it is 50, this is how much?
130.
Because these are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Supplementary. That is 130. If it is 130, this is how much?
130.
Because alternate interior angle. Like that also you can do it. Anyway, as it is a lines, parallel lines and transversal, if you want to apply only those rules, you can do. Otherwise, there is no particular rule also. Are you clear? If it is 50, this is how much?
130.
Because it is a straight angle or not?
Yes, sir.
130. If it is 130, this is how much?
130.
Alternate interior. Anyway, you can do it. The choice is yours. Are you clear? But you should get the exact answers. Are you clear? That is first one. And now second one, see all of you. Here, three lines are parallel is given. AB is parallel to CD. This is A, B, parallel to CD, C, B, and CD is parallel to EF. This is the conditions. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. And one more line he has drawn. One transversal he has drawn like this. Are you clear? Then this is given as X. This is given as Y. And this is given as Z. And then he has to find the values of X, Y, Z. And also he has given one information. What is given here? Y is to Z equals to 3:7 it is given. Y is to Z equals to 3:7. Where is Y and where is Z? This is Y and this is Z. Are you clear? Any relation is there between these two? I have marked correct values or not? X, Y, Z. Okay. Okay, no problem. Look at
They
here.
both equal to 1.
See, this is Y now. Are you clear or not? If it is Y means this is how much?
Why?
Y. Why? Because these are the corresponding angles or not? Are you clear or not? Because CD is parallel to EF. When CD is parallel to EF, if it is Y, this is also Y. In the solution, you have to do like that. And now, as per the ratio, let Y equals to 3P and Z equals to 7P I am taking. Let us assume, we don't know particular measures now. As for the given ratio, actually 3x to 7x we will take. But already here x is there now. So I am not taking in terms of in the form of x. I am taking in the form of p. So y equals to 3p, z is equal to 7p. But y plus z is equals to 180 or not? Because this plus that, this is the 180 or not? Now 10p, 3p plus 7p equals to 180. Then 10p equals to 180. Then p equal to how much? 80. If p is 80, then y equals to how much? Therefore y equals to 3 into 18 or not? 54. Then z is equal to how much? 7 into 18. How much? 126. So we got the values of y and z now. So this and this we got it. If it is 56, this is how much then? 1. If it is 54, no, sorry. It is 54, this is also 126. Are you clear? Because these two is interior angles on the same side of transversal or not? Will you able to do or not?
Yes, sir.
You have to do it with the proper reasons, all of you. Understand? Okay. And now, third problem, see all of you. AB is parallel to CD is given. These two lines are parallel. This is A, B, parallel to CD. Okay, now EF is perpendicular. Are you clear? And one more point he has marked here. This is G. G, E, D. He has joined this one. Are you clear? What is given, children? Angle GED equals to how much he gave? 126 he gave. Then find angle AGE. Where is AGE? AGE. This angle he has to find. First one. And angle GEF. GEF. This angle also he has to find. And another one FGE. F. Oh, sorry. AGE means this angle, man. Sorry. AGE, na? AGE means this angle. FGE means this angle. So let us take this is first one. This is second one. This is third one. These three values we have to find. Very simple. Okay. See, there is no any rule for doing continuously. For first, I have to find one, next 2, 3 like that. Whatever you will know directly, that one you can find it first. Are you clear? Look at here. Angle GED means where it is my GED? GED. This total is given now. How much is given? 126. But GED is nothing but GEF plus FED na? So angle GEF plus angle FED is equals to 126. But FED how much? FED. This is how much? 90. So in the place of FED shall we write 90 na? So angle GEF plus 90 is equals to 126. Therefore angle GEF is equal to how much? 54. 126 minus 90 na? Is it 54? That is how much? 36. Angle GEF equals to 36. Where is GEF? GEF. That means 2 value is 36. Are you clear? Are you clear? And if it is 36, anything else we can? Okay.
Sir, alternating. Oh, sir.
Look at here.
Interior angles are same, sir.
Which one?
3 and 2 interior angles are same.
See, these are the parallel lines, no? When these are the parallel lines, it is a transversal or not? Transversal means this 3 and total angle.
Total angle.
No, not 2. Okay, one thing you have to do, no problem. See, it is how much? 90, no? It is 90 means this is how much? 90. Arabia, 2 how much we got it? 36 plus 90 plus 3 equals to 180 or not? Triangle property. 2 plus 90, that means 2 plus 90 plus what is this? 3 equals to 180. Angle sum property of triangle. This is nothing but bracket or 2 rationally, no problem. 2 values, how much we got it?
36.
36 plus 90 plus 3 equals to 180. This is 126 now. Therefore 3 equals to how much? 180 minus 126, that equals to 54. So this value is 54. If it is 54, it is 126 or not? Straight angle. Like that, one is linked to another one. What is the proper appropriate link is there? That one you have to find it, and you can apply that reason and you have to find. Are you clear? Will you able to do or not? So first 3 sums and the 4th sum also I am going to give the homework. Try to complete 4 sums from exercise 6.2 today itself. Everybody. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Without fail. Total 22. What is that? 10. You can do now. Sir.